Hello students, I am your primary science teacher. Today we are going to learn about heavenly bodies. I know you all love to see night sky, the countless stars and moon. But do you know, beside these stars and moon, our universe has lot more heavenly bodies like sun, earth and other planets, galaxies, etc. These heavenly bodies are also known as celestial bodies. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Yes, I all know. You also think about them and are curious to know about them. So, we will start from the head of the family, that is sun. Stars have their own light. Sun is also having its own light. But it is about 150 million kilometers away from us. That's why we see them as small object. But actually they are very big in size. Approximately 13 lakhs Earth can easily fit into its volume. The sunlight takes nearly 8 minutes 20 seconds to reach the earth. The temperature of the surface of the sun is about 6000 degrees centigrade. Sun gives us heat and light, without which life cannot exist on earth. The sun is the ultimate source of energy on earth. Large number of stars together form groups. These groups are known as galaxies. Galaxies come in a variety of shapes and sizes. The name of our galaxy is Milky Way galaxy. Our galaxy is called so because it appears as a milky band of light in the sky. The name of our galaxy is Milky Way galaxy. Our galaxy is called so because it appears as a milky band of light in the sky. All have your neighbors. Similarly, our nearest galaxy is Andromeda galaxy. Our Milky Way galaxy will someday bump into Andromeda. But don't worry, it won't happen for about small groups of stars which resemble the figure of animals or any other objects are known as constellation. They are useful in tracking artificial satellites and in assisting astronomers and navigators to locate certain stars. Small groups of stars which resemble the figure of animals or any other objects are known as constellation. They are useful in tracking artificial satellites and in assisting astronomers and navigators to locate certain stars. Great Bear is also known as Ursa Major. It is a constellation in the northern sky. In Hindi, it is known as Saptarishi. Libra is a constellation located in the southern hemisphere, whereas Orion is a constellation located on the equator. The Sun and the objects, which includes 8 big celestial bodies and some other small objects which are in close relation to each other and orbit around Sun, make a solar family which is known as solar system. Planets are held by the Sun by its gravitational force. Among these planets, Mercury is the nearest planet from the Sun. Our Earth is the third planet from the Sun, and Venus and Mars are the neighboring planets of our planet Earth. Jupiter is the biggest planet of our solar system. After this Jupiter, we have Saturn, Neptune, Uranus. There are several thousands of small and big rocks and different metals moving around the Sun. They are called asteroids. They are much smaller than planets. In the orbit of Mars and Jupiter, asteroid belt is moving in a ring-like path.